Steady on, mates.
The world is lost and dying, full of woe. But will they ever know if nobody will go to tell them Jesus died to pay the cost? He died upon the cross to rescue sinners lost. Sound an S.O.S. We must warn the sinful souls of men. They are lost in storms and drowning in their sin. Christian, shine the light of Jesus from the lighthouse of God's Word, and toss the gospel lifeline to the world. Row, 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 row. Many sink in selfish worldly ways. By Satan they're deceived, refusing to believe. So Christian, share the news that Jesus saves, that we must turn from sin, holding fast to Him. Sound an S.O.S. We must warn the sinful souls of men. They are lost in storms and drowning in their sin. Christian, shine the light of Jesus from the lighthouse of God's Word, and toss the gospel lifeline to the world. Toss the gospel lifeline to the world. Toss the gospel lifeline to the world.